Hi friends, it's Brooke, and we're going to be doing another colorful science experiment in the kitchen with random items that you can find around the house. So before we get started, we're going to identify the items that we will be using for this experiment. Once again, we are going to be using what? If you guessed food coloring, you are absolutely correct. I think we've used food coloring for every science experiment we've done. I don't know about you guys, but I love colorful things. So I have picked out here, I think this is like a pinkish, purplish, a green, and a yellow. So we'll see how those colors come out. We are going to need this item right here. If you guessed a pie dish, you are correct. It doesn't really have to be a pie dish. It has to be some sort of, dish that has like a ledge like this so that the milk can sit around. So I guess that leads us to our next thing. We are going to need some whole milk. It says that you can use half and half as well. I don't know if it will work as well, but you can try it. We're going to need these thingamabobbers right here, which are, if you guessed Q-tips, you are absolutely correct. And the last item we need is some liquid dish detergent. I have Dawn here, which Google suggested, but I'm sure any liquid detergent would be fine. Not detergent, sorry, liquid dish soap, not detergent. And then I poured it in this cup so it will be easier to stick my little Q-tip in. Okay, so our first thing that we need to do is pour the milk in the pie dish. Sorry, it's hard for me to focus the phone while opening milk. So we're gonna pour that in. And you want to make sure that there's enough to cover the whole thing. So that looks like it's pretty good. And then we are going to put the food colors in. You just want to drop them all randomly. So here's yellow. Looks kind of orange, but I promise it's yellow. So you can see the yellow right here. The top's yellow. Oh, sorry. Now I'm going to do some green. Next, I'm going to do that. I think this is purple. I just have the pink top on. And now we are going to take our Q-tip and we're going to dip it in that dish soap. So the top of the Q-tip gets all dish soap. And then we're going to place it in the middle of the dish of the milk and food coloring and see what happens. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you guys see all the food coloring moving throughout the milk? I think that's so cool. So even when I take it out, the milk is still going to start moving. It looks like Mardi Gras colors, you guys. Do you see that? What colors do you see? I see the white from the milk, but I also see the green, purple, and yellow food coloring that we put in there moving all around on its own, just from a little Dawn on a Q-tip. Is that not amazing, you guys? I think that's so cool. It's like still moving. That's so neat. Okay, guys, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed making these science experiments for you through all this remote learning. I miss you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.